welcome to the Scars of Scar Reviews and Follow. And if you guys want to see a Walmart beauty haul unboxing, please stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I'm doing a Walmart beauty haul unboxing. Yes, I'm doing an unboxing. I haven't done any unboxings in a minute, and this is my first time getting a Walmart beauty box. I believe that's what it's called. And yes, Walmart Beauty. Okay, it says it right here. And I'm going to open it. I did get this. I thought I wasn't going to get it because nothing was being said. So I was like, what's going on here? So I was like, yeah. So anyway, so this box, let me see if I can explain it. Let me look on here. Walmart beauty box, because it don't tell you really like what it says. So, all right, so the Walmart beauty box, you sign up to get a new box for every season and pay $5. So it has let's get started. It says how the Walmart beauty box works. In your Walmart beauty box, you'll find beauty samples and tips on products sold at Walmart and on Walmart.com. Receiving your Walmart beauty box will be another reason to welcome each new season. Sign up for the Walmart beauty box. Give yourself or a loved one the fun of surprise of free goodies from the best beauty brands sold at Walmart. 4 seasons, 4 boxes. 4 times per year, you'll receive an assortment of new beauty products and helpful tips delivered right to your door. Pay only for shipping. Share the love. Once you experience it, you'll want to give the Walmart beauty box to your friends and family too. Discover Walmart Beauty for $5. Curious to know more? Watch the video below to see what great products you can receive, okay? Alright, so that's basically it about that. So yeah, so sign up and you'll always have to pay a $5 fee, and I believe you pay shipping as well. So you also take a I think a survey so they can see what type of products to send to you. So yeah, so basically this is a Walmart Beauty. This is what it is. So I'm gonna get up close because I'm gonna show some products, okay? Alright, so I will read this after. Okay, so this is what it is here, and it's the back of it, okay? All right, so yeah, I won't be able to use this, but Strictly Curls, Mark Anthony, True Professional. Mark Anthony, okay, like if my hair was wasn't locked, but yeah, so this serves no purpose for me, but I think I'm gonna give this to my sister. My sister, she has well, she went back to texturizing. That's a whole nother. So if you guys know, my sister used to come on my channel, and I used to do her hair on the channel. So yeah, so it's a curl defining lotion, humidity shield, define and lock in soft freeze free curls with silk protein. So free from sulfates, SLS, parabens, and phthalates. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna give this to my sister because I have locks, y'all. All right, so this is the Lumify. What is it? The what is this? Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. Eye drops. Lumify eye drops from the eye care. Just 1 drop, works within a minute and lasts up to 8 hours to reduce redness. Okay, I'll keep this just in case my eyes get red or something like that. And I could probably get this to my sister too because she wears contacts. So yeah, so these are just a sample of drops here. Okay, I'm not gonna open it, but yeah. All right, so we got NYX in the house. I think I got this one. No, this one is cranberry. Okay, we got the cranberry. Okay, I'm souped. And then we have Gold Bond Strength and Resilience Protein and Lipids, so for aging mature skin. So Gold Bond, maybe this will be good for my eczema. Okay, and last but not least, we have the Red Clay Sheet Mask. Okay, 1 single-use mask. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna be using this, but we shall see. So maybe I'll give this to somebody, but this is it right here, like Michael Jackson. All right, so we're gonna back it on up. All right, y'all, so that's it in the box. Okay, so they have the Gold Bond, the Strength Resilience, See Radiant Skin, Even and Cool Water, formulated with even plumping moisturizers. This formulated with 7 plumping moisturizers. Okay, I've also gotten the Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Okay, Reliever Eye Drops from Bosch and L'Homme. Lumify Redness, reduces redness in just 1 minute to help eyes look whiter and brighter. The full size $11.97, which is 0.1 fluid ounces, and the Gold Bond was $9.48, the full size. Okay, And the assorted sheet mask, I have it says the prep skin for cool tints with natural botanicals, known for their healing properties. These sheet masks solve issues while nurturing skin to enhance body and mind. Receive one. The Marc Anthony Strict Curls Lotion, Go Curly for Natural Look Season. This lightweight non-sticky formula bonds strands to create maximum definition while leaving curls bouncy and soft to the touch. Okay, then we have the NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. This buttery, soft, silky, smooth gloss delivers sheer to medium coverage in fab fall shades. Never stick and always supple. It stays put and won't feather. Receive one. Full size is $4.97. Okay. All right, so they have other stuff on here, but I didn't get those. Those are the only two things I didn't get. Okay, so they said explore our latest collection of must-try beauty inspired by the season of transitions. Okay, so they have Do You Like It? Did You Love It? Scan it here with the smartphone camera and take a quick survey for a chance to win a $100 Walmart gift card. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically about that. So yeah, so they only had this for the 4 seasons, so I was able to hurry up and get a box for this part of the season, and I'm glad that I was able to. And it's only for $5, so I decided to give it a shot to see. So this was okay. It was pretty decent. I can't use the curl thing because I have no curls. And the only probably thing that I'll probably use is the NYX butter gloss and the redness for the eyes. My eyes are not red, and I'll use the gold bond, so I'll probably only use just 2 things out of here, which is okay, but it's pretty good. But $5 can't beat that. So yeah, so that's basically about that. So yeah, so that's my unboxing for the Walmart beauty haul. Unboxing for $5. If you guys are interested, please, definitely go check them out. I'm not sure if you'll be able to get the box that I got. I think it varies, and also I don't know if you'll get a box for this month. I don't know. I think it was for last month, for October. I'm not too sure. So yeah, so if you sign up now, you'll probably have to go for the next season. Okay. All right. So that's just basically about that. So I am done, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was the haul, and one more box haul. I didn't know they had one until I was, surfing YouTube, and I was like, oh, okay. All right. So that's it, you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. I am done. If you guys have any questions, comments, thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.